What's going on, guys? We're back again with another video. I just so happened to be browsing YouTube a few days ago, and another YouTuber by the name of Yoshi, the Yoshi Clan, made a video about this. This is an illuminated keyless enter, not keyless entry, but when you have your doors locked, it's dark out, you lift up on the door, this is gonna illuminate. Well, problem is it's a fiber optic light, and there's a bulb that actually illuminates. The fiber optic light travels up and comes out of the door right there. You can almost see, the camera will focus, there's a gap there, and that's where the illumination happens. Well, on GM vehicles, you actually do this work inside in the kick panel. Well, figured out that didn't work, so it's not in between there, it's actually in the door panel, or actually behind the door panel in the actual door frame itself. So you have to take the door panel off to replace the little 168 bulb, but a 194 bulb will work just fine. And in order to take the door panel off, you need an 11mm socket for the door handle itself, and a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, because you got a screw to take out there, the lock cover essentially, and then everything else on this side along the bottom, there's a screw there, Phillips head, a screw there, Phillips head, and simply lift up, slide, and there we go. Off comes the door panel. I've had to do this several times on this vehicle with the fight over the summer with the power window motor, which has been replaced with a brand new one. But where we want to focus on is right there. That's where, if you notice, the little fiber optic black wires right there, and on the other side, that's where the bulb is housed. You can take that little bolt off and make this easier, but hopefully I don't have to. But I think you do. So let me get that out of there. Be right back. And there bees, one burnt out bulb. And after fiddling with this thing for a few minutes, you really don't have to unbolt it, but it's just tough because there's not a lot of room with this bar right here. But this one doesn't actually twist and pull out. You actually just have to pull it out. So a pair of pliers or something, be gentle, because there are wires back there, and if you bend one of those or break one of those, well, guess what? You just wasted a whole bunch of time and maybe a little bit of money. But out with the old, and it's definitely burnt out. And with the new, a white LED bulb that should last forever. It should outlast the car, hopefully, because this is a pretty not good design by Chrysler, putting this in the door with there being a filament in this bulb, the constant opening and shutting of the door. It's bound to shorten the lifespan of the bulb, the original bulb that's in there. But this is also a 1986 Chrysler, so it's also a 30-year-old vehicle, so that might play a role too. But, and with the new bulb, Maybe. This is a two-handed job. Right back. Alright, well, new bulb's in, obviously. It's illuminating quite well. Kind of bright outside, so it's hard to show this illuminated in the sun, but when it's dark out, I'll shoot another little piece of it and upload it along with this video. And all I've got left to do, tighten that bolt back up, throw this door panel back on. Don't go hammering and pounding on it. There's holes here that match up with these clips, so it only fits in one spot. Don't force it, because if you do, then you're gonna break those little clips. And it's kind of cold out here. You don't really want to go out and have to make unnecessary runs to the parts store if you can all avoid it just by being gentle. Well guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.